It's very, very vital to develop a healthy relationship with county assemblies. Sometimes there is tension between the executive and the county assembly, and one has to try to cultivate a relationship that ensures the legislation that is required, the plans, whatever county assemblies do is done effectively and in a timely manner. If you examine a lot of the laws passed by counties currently, especially in the first installment of devolution after the 2010 Constitution, you will find that there was copy and paste. One county assembly would pick a law from another one or from somewhere and make it law so that it can be said they have passed laws and they can tick a box. And many of those will not be implementable, and even laws which required finances for them, there was no such finance. So I think it will be important to examine, the policy, the laws that already have been passed, to be sure that they're implementable, to be sure that there is money to implement them,